Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to use TikTok Friends Feed feature in our TikTok. So guys, to use TikTok Friends Feed feature in your TikTok is so easy. This is basically connect our TikTok to our Facebook account with our Facebook friends who are making posts at the TikTok. Let's get started our video. First of all, you have to update your TikTok. If you have an old version of TikTok, then you have to update it. Open TikTok. You will find here the different options at the bottom of the page, including the friends. Then click on the friends option. You will see here all of the videos that are made or created by your friends at the TikTok. You will find here these posts. You will find your friends post at the TikTok easily by this feature. So guys, this is recommended that you go at the TikTok and update it and enjoy this feature of the friends at your TikTok. You will find here all of the posts that are created by them. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like the video. See you again in the next video. If you like the video, give this video thumbs up, and this is Let Me Guide channel. Please subscribe it for more such informative videos. Thank you.